Guys, I got this little magnetic telescoping pickup tool. It's from Toolwiz. It will be in the description, so check the link down below. It will be in the description of this video. It does come with a little LED light, and you're gonna hold the bottom here, and you'll just turn this to the right, turn on, and then just turn it a little bit to the left. It does come with these little, I think they're called LR. What are they? LR44, little bitty batteries. You can get like an 8-pack of them for like $6 or $7, something like that. This whole thing costs like $6, but you know, batteries are expensive. So if it ever goes out, the batteries are about $8 for an 8-pack. Put that little spring back in there. Go ahead and put this back on like that. You'll tighten it back up. It is about close to 2 foot long, and it's magnetic, so we'll go outside and check out what it looks like underneath the hood of the car when you're trying to fish out a bolt or something. So here we are out by the truck. So I have the light, have it off, turn it to the right a little bit, turn it on, pull it out a little bit, and you'll see about how bright it is. I mean, if you need to get to something down low, like by your spark plugs or something, you can get down in there. Let me. It's good enough to see down in there and like pick up a bolt. If you dropped a bolt right here, or say you dropped one way down here, you could get down there to it. And look, that's sticking. So, yeah, see, you can get down in there pretty good. Or if you had to get way down here, say you dropped a bolt right there, you'd be able to get down there and pick up that bolt. So I just wanted to show you this. That's about how bright it is. And it was $6 on Amazon. I'll put the link again. It was $6. So there you go. And I just wanted to show you this quick little video. Cool little tool. It's nice to have. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.